Hey, welcome to Ratchet Boys Garage. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you haven't, welcome. Look, I'm warning you guys on how I failed miserably. I will show you guys right now, but I'd rather just show you the long version. So keep watching. Ratchet Boys. Taking apart the widebody from Shine Auto to patch these holes because it's screwed up, and the curve on the body panel doesn't allow me to screw in. Yeah, I got the side bolts off. I got more under here, two more. This is made to be molded onto the body of the car, so it's not carbon fiber out here, but it is. I'll show you in a bit as soon as I get it off. This side I wrapped it in carbon fiber vinyl wrap. It looks alright, whatever, I'll figure it out later. But yeah, I have to redo this. I have to move this marker, well, the hole I cut in the wide body. I have to like shift it back. As you can see, I got painter's tape holding it. And look at that mean gap. A whole inch at least. That should be good. Switch hands here. Focus. Makes it real well. I'm pretty sure there's thousands of videos of bondo glass on YouTube, but here I am showing you again. So I like these because it has the fiber inside the bondo, so it kind of helps stick to existing fiberglass or carbon fiber. Mostly holes like I have on mine. That blue tape off already. So this side is the smooth side. Gonna have to scuff it and then lay fiber bondo on it. And here we're mixing a little bit more for our top layer. I just got done scuffing it. Where'd it go? Right there. So we get these first with the air gaps. Just gonna pull it all the way across. Fully dry here. So some 80 grit. hit it with some 240 next. And there we are, guys. All nice and smooth. No bumps. Oh, it's a little rough right there. But like I said, not worried about it. Just gonna wrap it. On prime for now. Well, I don't know if you call it finished, but I'm done. And man, I suck at rapping. Can't be good at everything, guys. Check it out though. It's good on camera, kinda. And you see all this shit. Focus. Alright guys. So pretty much all done with this one. So originally I pulled this one off because of this. And let me get my molding. So my rear quarter molding will sit over it like this, right? But before, it would be too far this way. See how that doesn't line up? See how it lines up now? A little bit better. It's holding. Once it gets bolted down, it'll be perfect. So yeah, and then there was a gap on this side between this molding and the rear center molding. There's about like a thumb size gap with like ½ inch or so. I'm not gonna rewrap this. I did screw it up a little bit here when I just was drilling out the bad bolt that got stuck in there. It's alright. I'm like still undecided on what I want to finish this as. I might just paint it same color and color match it to the car. So the whole wrap thing is just temporary, just to get the plain carbon, the plain paint look that it comes as. Yeah, I had to redo a couple of the holes on the body and rethread it. You can see there. But because some of them were coming loose, but that's my fault. That's because it wasn't crimped tight enough, so it just came loose. But yeah, I'll leave that part, the Amazon tool, in the description. So click the link if you guys are gonna do something like this. It's a good tool to have. You do a bunch of stuff. So when I do my diffuser, my front diffuser in the front, I'm gonna use that also. So it's a good tool to have for any car, not just the MK3. It's just a mock-up. I didn't bolt it in, but look, no more gap. Sweet. I think it looks good. Yep, that's all we got for you. Questions, suggestions, comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like or dislike and subscribe to the channel.